Can security cameras work without an internet connection?
Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. In this segment, we'll be addressing an important question. Can security cameras work without an internet connection? Many people wonder whether these cameras rely solely on internet connectivity or if they can function independently. Let's dive in and find out.
Understanding security camera systems.
To answer this question, it's crucial to understand the components of a typical security camera system. Most security camera systems consist of three main parts: the cameras themselves, a video recorder or network video recorder, NVR, and the necessary wiring infrastructure.
Local recording capability.
Yes, security cameras can work without an internet connection. The primary function of a security camera is to capture and record video footage. The cameras are designed to work independently and can still capture video even if there is no internet connectivity.
Direct wiring and local storage.
Security cameras are often wired directly to a video recorder or NVR. This wiring enables the cameras to transmit video signals directly to the recorder without relying on an internet connection. The recorded footage is typically stored locally on the NVR's hard drive or other storage devices.
Monitoring and remote access.
While security cameras can function without internet access, it's important to note that remote monitoring and access to the camera feeds may require an internet connection. If you want to view the live footage or access recorded videos remotely, you'll need an internet connection to connect to the camera system through a compatible mobile app or web interface.
Hybrid systems.
In recent years, hybrid security camera systems have become more popular. These systems combine the advantages of both traditional wired cameras and wireless connectivity. In a hybrid system, cameras are wired for power and video transmission but can also connect to the internet wirelessly, providing additional flexibility for remote monitoring and access. In conclusion, security cameras can indeed work without an internet connection. The cameras themselves can capture video footage, and a wired connection to a video recorder or NVR allows for local storage and recording. However, if you want to remotely monitor or access the camera feeds, an internet connection is typically required. It's essential to consider your specific needs and choose a security camera system that aligns with your requirements. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.